The Improve for Partners application allows you to enrich your data with a whole range of information available from Infobel. Thanks to this application, you can improve the quality of your customer files and boost your marketing and prospecting activities. You will quickly and effortlessly obtain a database with quality prospects and customers. Start by accessing the application webpage at partners.infobelpro.com/improve. Log in with your username and password. The home screen is your dashboard. This is where you can place a new order and see a history of your previous orders. You can also see the information such as the creation date, the name, and the status. Let's start by creating a new order by clicking on the New Order button. You will be redirected to a page to import your file. You are now on the order page. The menu on the left side of the screen will show you where you are in the process. Click on the Choose File button and select the file you want to enrich. Check the header in the first row if your columns have titles such as address, name, etc. If your data comes from a single country, select it in the drop-down menu. Select Worldwide if your file contains businesses from several countries. Name your file and go to the next step. The tool will now read your file. This may take a few seconds. You now need to map your file to label the content of your columns. To do this, simply use the drop-down menu in each column and select the content that is in the column. Here we have company name 1 and company name 2, an address, a zip code, and a city name. Once mapped, you can move on to the next step and start the import. The tool will now standardize your file and compare our various data sources to get the best result. This step may take several minutes. You will be automatically redirected to the results once ready. You are now on a results page. You have two choices. If you need basic contact information, you can select the option that corresponds to your need. For example, phone number, email, and so forth. You can also enrich your files for free with Infobelpro unique IDs. This can be used to create exclusion lists for our Get for Partners tool. If you need firmographic information, you can select the ones you are interested in further down the page. If you want to receive a report with a sample, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Remember to update the report if you made a selection. Click on Download Report File. You can now download an Excel file in which you will find the generic summary, as well as more detailed data in the different tabs. You will also find a sample report containing 10 records. This can be shared internally or with your clients to verify that these data correspond to expectations. You can then proceed to the export stage by clicking on Prepare Final File. The final file will be prepared. The export may take a few minutes depending on the size of the file. Once ready, click on Export Final File. You now have an Excel file with all the data you wanted. You are now able to use our powerful tool to enrich your database. Feel free to watch our other videos and tutorials to discover our other tools or contact us if you need more information.